Hello guys, this is Dhiren. Welcome back to my channel, the iTech Creator. Guys, today I bought this gaming mouse HP M270 for gaming. This is the low price, low cost gaming mouse, around 600 in Indian rupees. So guys, I'm going to unboxing. I will share this mouse fuser, and you can see guys, in this mouse there are 1 2 3 4 4 dpi. First is 800, and second is 1200 dpi, and third is 1600, and fourth is 2400 dpi. And in this mouse there are 6 buttons, left, right, and dpi, and also backward and forward. Now I am going to unboxing. Body price is guys 699. Wow, very nice. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So guys, now I will connect on PC. You can see guys, when you change the DPI, then the color will be changed. And this is the user manual. So guys, now DPI is 800. Now I will test, I will play the game now, and this is the 1200, and then this is the 1600 and 2400. So guys, now let's check. I will play the game. For playing Free Fire game, you need 2400 DPI. So guys, now let's start. So guys, you can see here I am going to start the game.